Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to explain to you in detail how you can change the FPS rate for your videos on CapCut. So let's get started. So let's say, for example, you would like to save and export your video clip here on CapCut with a high FPS or frame per second rate, like 60 for instance. So this is how you can do it, guys. Simply click on export in the top right corner once you're content with your video clip and have finished editing and customizing. So click on export here. Now you can give your exported video a name here, select the output folder, the resolution or the video quality, the bitrate, the codecs, the format, and here below, guys, you see the option frame rate. So if you click on it, you will be given access to a list of available FPS rates like 30 FPS. This is usually the default FPS rate, but you can switch to a higher FPS rate like 50 or 60, provided of course your graphic cards and your hardware can handle that. So simply select your preferred FPS rate and confirm by clicking on export here at the bottom to export the video with the given FPS rate. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.